Starting a lawnmower with a bad starter requires troubleshooting and finding alternative methods to get it running. This guide focuses on diagnosing the issue, whether it's the starter or the battery, and offers solutions. The engine starter's purpose is to initiate combustion, involving components like the solenoid, starter motor, ignition switch, and spark plug. When the ignition key is turned, the solenoid activates, sending current from the battery to the starter motor, which in turn starts the engine. A common sign of starter trouble is a clicking sound when attempting to start the engine, suggesting a check of the battery and spark plug is needed. If these aren't the issue, the problem may lie in the connections, ignition switch, or starter solenoid. Diagnosing a faulty starter involves checking the spark plug and battery charge first. If these are fine, cleaning the battery terminal connectors or inspecting the connection cable may solve the problem. If not, the starter motor or solenoid could be at fault. If your mower has a defective starter or solenoid, temporary bypass methods can help start the machine. Always disengage the mower blades for safety. These techniques, including bypassing the starter motor or solenoid, are detailed in instructional videos in the link in the description. Deciding between repairing or replacing a bad starter depends on cost and complexity. Replacing often offers more benefits, including warranties. Repair involves disassembling the starter, checking for damage, cleaning connections, and reassembly. When installing a new starter or replacing a solenoid, ensure compatibility with your lawnmower model, with manufacturers like Briggs and Stratton providing useful guides. In conclusion, starting a mower with a bad starter is manageable with the right knowledge, focusing on understanding the system, diagnosing problems, and applying fixes or workarounds. Regular maintenance and proper care of the starter system prevent future issues, ensuring mower longevity. This approach allows for confident handling of starter problems, keeping your lawn in top condition with minimal hassle. If you would like to see the whole article plus the guide videos, you will find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe, and meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns and have fun.